Proprietary trading, or prop trading for short, is done for the benefit of the company's partners and employees only, not for the benefit of any client. The firm is the client. A prop firm's traders actively speculate on stocks, bonds, options, commodities, derivatives, or other financial instruments with its own capital as opposed to customers' money. There is no money made on insider tips at the legitimate prop firms. I wouldn't know an insider unless he walked onto my trading floor and announced, "Hey, I'm an insider. Get long BNI. Buffett is about to buy a stake in the company." My news comes mainly from internet sites like Briefing.com and Bloomberg.com, sites the whole world can access. Some proprietary firms have an interest in obtaining private research from institutional banks like Goldman Sachs, and they can pay for access to it. We have access to some of this data, but it does not make a difference. At my firm, SMB Capital, only the floor manager has a phone. His mom calls a lot. We depend on our trading talent. We eat what we kill. I wouldn't have it any other way. There are some months when a prop trader works 50 hours a week and takes home no money. Heck, there are some months when a trader works even harder and loses money. I spent 2002 unable to make a dime. On the contrary, there have been days that a prop trader is up over 10K by 9:35 a.m. He punches a few keys, the stock does what he thinks it will do, and he books these outsized profits faster than most drink a cup of coffee. In fact, there have been some mornings, Black Friday 1999 for example, when I sauntered onto my trading floor, turned on my computer screens, and saw that my account was up over 50K. Now that is the way to start your morning. This is not one of those jobs where there are guaranteed contracts with a bi-weekly check that has the same numbers sprawled across the pay stub. Many of the brightest of the bright leave our industry humbled, perhaps bitter, by their inability to master the game. The smart ones figure out how to parlay their recent trading education into steady finance jobs. Juxtapose that with prop traders who make 7 figures every year walking around in jeans and a t-shirt, sitting right next to overdressed bankers every morning on a downtown subway. I know it sounds unfair, but remember, in prop trading, we are the client. Would you dress up in a suit to impress yourself? There is a very real chance that the uber bright and talented get sent home packing. It does not do anyone any good pretending to be a prop trader. This is just a lose-lose situation. The would-be trader loses by doing something he wasn't meant to do, and the firm loses time and capital, though other market players may wish for these suckers to stay, like dead money at a poker table. The market demands that a trader follows all of her rules every day and every moment. Many just cannot thrive in this unbending universe. At a proprietary trading firm, the trader makes all of the decisions. Unlike most jobs, there is no supervisor or partner reviewing every decision before it's made. Success, for better or worse, is totally self-dependent. You determine whether a stock is more likely to go up or down and how much capital to risk. If you are correct, then the firm and you make money. Whether a trade works out or not, the results are plastered on a huge scoreboard both on your computer screen and on shared monitors, kind of like standings in the sports pages. Accountability and performance are brutally transparent. Prop traders are not trying to beat VWAP, volume-weighted average price, or average intraday price of the stock, or fill orders for some client. For a proprietary trader, beating VWAP is about as difficult as it is for LeBron to put up 30. You are not entering orders as dictated by a portfolio manager, PM, or hedge fund manager. This is hands-on-the-wheel trading. You determine the markets and the stocks to trade, the size of the trade, and the entry and exit points. Your future depends upon one thing: your trading ability. If you're just starting out in prop trading, know that very soon you will be given a trading account. You'll probably be asked to complete your firm's training program first and set some computer keys to buy and sell, hotkeys. But then you're off. You won't run errands like an intern might. in which case you're on call at all hours, and you won't fill orders in the Asian markets at 2 a.m. A good training program will provide critical feedback concerning your trading, but your judgment, combined with your trading skills, will determine your future.